In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung DeX wireless on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. DeX can be used wirelessly on any PC, and doing it is super simple. All that you have to do is activate the feature on your phone or tablet and then download the official application for PC. So to start, swipe down from the top on your Samsung smartphone or tablet, and you should be able to find DeX available in here. If you don't see DeX, keep swiping to the right until you find the option to add new applications in here. Once you see DeX available, choose the button and you will be able to see the options to connect. Now, it's either going to suggest a wired connection or a wireless one, so it's just going to keep changing between both. If you want to connect wirelessly, then you will need to be connected to the same network on your smartphone or tablet and your PC or laptop that you want to connect into. So both devices need to be on the same wireless network. If you don't have Wi-Fi available, for example, if you are using a PC and your motherboard doesn't have the Wi-Fi antennas, then what you could do instead is use a cable. But since the focus of this video is connecting them wirelessly, I will mention how to do it like this. So make sure that you are on the same network between both devices, and once you are on the same Wi-Fi, you will be good to go. The PC will appear on the list when you download the official application. So you can go over to the Samsung official website or just look for Samsung DeX on Google, scroll down on this page, and eventually you will be able to find it here. Click to download the Samsung DeX app for use on your PC. You choose the option to download and run the installer. It is simple to do. If you want to do it wirelessly, you just need to make sure that you are on the same network, and when you open the app, after you choose it from the list here, you will be good to go. You will see all of your applications. You can essentially mirror the screen of your device into your PC or laptop, and you can have a more desktop-like experience instead of using it on the mobile screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung DeX wireless on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.